Friends, almost everyone uses internet. Did you know that there is a very big section of internet which you would never use? Today I will tell you about those sections which are deep web and dark web.
California dreaming about you.
Internet is divided into 3 sections, or you can say layers: surface web, deep web, and dark web. Every one of you might know about surface web internet. If not, I will tell you about it today. Surface web. It is the internet which is used most commonly by everyone in the world, and will be using in future, and even which I use. That is called as surface web. In fact, this video which you are watching now is also a part of surface web. Surface web is the internet which is accessible anywhere in the world without any special permission, and information about surface web is easily accessible in a simple Google search. That means all the information you get in Google search results, such as links or websites, are all part of surface web because it is publicly available for everyone. For example, all your entertainment websites, news websites, music websites, torrents, and all the information you were using till today is all part of surface web. But do you really know that surface web is only 5% of actual internet? According to recent studies, nearly 95% of internet is on deep web. If you compare deep web to surface web with an iceberg, then surface web is just a tip which is seen in the sea which you were using it till now and will be using in future. But actual mass below is the deep web. Deep web. Now let's see what happens in deep web and what is stored in it. All online storage like Google Drive, Dropbox, big university documents, research data, big companies and banks' information and databases, government secret projects and files, or basically the data which you will never get with a simple Google search, are stored in deep web. If you want to access deep web, you will need a special URL, special address for website or server, and you need permission to access that information. It might be a login ID and password or any type of authentication, but without that address you will never be able to access the deep web. All the websites or web pages, data, information are not indexed by Google, Yahoo or Bing search engine, so in that case you will never be able to see what is stored in my normal Google Drive or cloud storage even if you keep searching for it forever. It is accessible only if you have permission for that particular file or folder when shared. We need deep web to store all our data to cloud, but don't want to share it with everyone and only to the eligible ones. It's as simple as a company intranet page, whereas project document would be shared only with the selected users or employees, but not with all employees, and the same is not available on internet search. Deep web is anyways not a hidden internet altogether, but there is another layer of internet which is hidden from everyone, and that is called as dark web. Dark web. This is just information we are providing about dark web. I request you or either warn you that usage of dark web is completely illegal, so never use it. Dark web is the internet where you can do anything, for example drugs trading, drugs smuggling, arms trading, arms smuggling, all other illegal activities which we don't want to discuss about. We just want to inform you that dark web is a black stop for internet where you can do anything and everything, and also this is never shown in any simple search results. If you want to use it, then you will need a special browser called as Onion Router, also known as Tor browser. Dark web can be accessed using Tor browser through a VPN, but I remind you that this is completely illegal. All the black market can be accessed in dark web since it uses Tor browser, which will be bouncing your address all over the world with different notes. Only those users can trace you. Currently there is no backtrace available for Tor browser. It was invented for US Navy, but nowadays Tor network is there all over the world, connecting entire black market, and many agencies are working to take down the websites in dark web as well. Even after all these corrective and preventive techniques, dark web still exists in the current internet, and there are a lot of illegal stuff and activities happening which is accessible only on Tor browser. Friends, this is just an informational video on deep web and dark web. Deep web is a clean and tidy where all data is stored but not accessed by normal search, for which you need authenticated URL, login ID and password. But dark web is the internet where you need Tor browser and everything which happens there is illegal. We request you to take this video as an informational video and never visit dark web, as lots of illegal stuff is there in it. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment if you have anything to say, and share it with your friends so that they know about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.